If you're looking for a fast and effective way to get more views on your YouTube channel, then you need to start using Shorts. These short, vertical videos are taking the platform by storm, and for good reason. They're quick, engaging, and easy to consume, making them perfect for capturing viewers' attention in just a few seconds. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Shorts to get more views on your YouTube channel. So if you're ready to start getting more views on your YouTube channel, then keep watching. Entertain your viewers. If you want people to subscribe to your channel, you need to make your vertical videos as interesting as they are funny. With so many people online these days, the competition is fierce, so it pays to stand out. Experts recommend that you get straight to the action in the first 3 seconds of your video. This way, you don't run the risk of someone scrolling past because it took too long. Make sure the music matches the overall vibe of the video to build credibility, rather than just placing random trending sounds over your footage. Make emotional videos. If you want to boost engagement, make sure you add emotion to your YouTube Shorts. When you incorporate a sentimental element in your videos, viewers are more likely to be drawn in and connect with your content. People love to share and interact with the content they can relate to, and many viral videos are popular because of this very notion. Think about what type of emotional factors apply most to your niche and think about ways you can include them. For example, a channel for moms might address different postpartum challenges, enabling women to feel safer in their vulnerability and less alone in their motherhood journey. Try to identify what challenges your audience may face and use it as an opportunity to share some of your own experiences. The more relatable you are, the more views you'll accumulate. Post consistently at the right time. Consistency is key when it comes to any type of content creation, so it's important that you decide on a schedule and stick to it. It also helps to create content in batches, so you always have something ready to post rather than creating new content every day. Experts recommend the following days and times for posting YouTube Shorts. Aside from the general recommendations, try to pay attention to when your desired audience is active online. Loop your Shorts. The more replays you have on your Shorts, the better they will perform on the platform. The easiest way to do this is to create a loop with your videos. In other words, and they will have no clear beginning or end. This way, your viewers will have no idea that they watched the whole thing until it loops a few times, and then register the repetition. This doesn't just help you get more views, but it also shows that you pay attention to detail, making you more credible as a video content creator. At the end of the day, you already have the video creation skills necessary to be successful at making YouTube Shorts, and you just need to rethink your strategy a little bit for the alternative formatting. Implementing these tips above will give you the boost you need to get more views on YouTube Shorts and grow your channel. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the subscribe button for more awesome videos just like this one. Thanks for watching.